Hi everyone, welcome to Nippon Spoon. On this channel, I share halal-friendly Japanese home cooking recipes. Today, I'm cooking halal-friendly teriyaki salmon. This sweet and savory dish, a popular classic in Japan that goes perfectly with rice, is made here in an alcohol-free version. The ingredients and cooking steps are very simple. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This recipe makes 2 servings. First, let's prepare the salmon. In Japan, salmon skin is often enjoyed, but if you don't like the skin, feel free to remove it. Lightly sprinkle it with salt and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This step helps draw out excess moisture and any unwanted smell. While the salmon is resting, let's make the teriyaki sauce. In a bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar as a substitute for mirin, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Then mix well. Normally, sugar alone is used to replace mirin, but this time we also add honey for extra shine and richness. If the sugar and honey don't dissolve easily, microwave it for about 10 seconds to help them dissolve. Ten minutes have passed. Pat the salmon dry thoroughly with paper towels. Lightly coat the salmon with a thin layer of all-purpose flour. This helps it brown nicely and allows the sauce to cling better. Now, let's cook. Heat some oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the salmon, starting with the side that will be on top when serving. Don't move it too much. Cook until nicely golden, checking the underside occasionally. Once it's nicely golden brown, flip it over. The cooking time depends on the size and thickness of the salmon, but this time it took about 4 minutes. Now cook the skin side. This piece of salmon is thick, so I also lightly cooked the sides. After about 4 minutes, the salmon was cooked through. The oil that comes out can cause unwanted smell, so wipe it off thoroughly. Reduce the heat to low. Now, we'll add the sauce. Compared to a typical teriyaki sauce, this one contains no sake or mirin, so there's less liquid, and the honey thickens quickly. From this point, everything happens very quickly. Add the sauce. It will thicken almost immediately. Once it looks like this, remove it from the heat. Plate it up, and your halal-friendly teriyaki salmon is ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.